Now we found the problem here, guys. That's why this valve is not working. Okay, it's here. Now we have new bearing. Okay, guys. Now we are going to install this bearing here. Because the first problem of this one, the valve stuck and not move properly. Okay, guys. Now guys, we already finished fixing that stack up bearing, okay, for this position. Now we are going to calibrate this one, okay. As you could see, this one should be 50%, but it's not in 50%. So what we will do, we will adjust this one, yes, this one here, to make it 50%, okay. I will just observe this one there, okay. So now I will adjust it here. Sorry, this is okay. Sun now start moving. Okay. In the middle. Okay, now in the middle, huh? Okay, now you see this one here. Okay, this is the perfect for 50%. Okay, guys. Okay. Now we will make test for this valve. Okay. Can you ask him to make 50%? Ask him to make a 50%. 50%. 50%. Inshallah. Okay. Now we are going to stroke check this valve from signal from the control room. Okay, guys. So now they will put in 50%. 50% should be in the middle. Okay. So we will see if this one will start in the middle. Okay. So far so good. Very good, very good. So now can you make fully open, Patrick? Open, full. Okay, 50% open. Make it fully open. Fully open. Okay. So this is how to stroke this valve. So now you see this one. There is a link here. So this one actually is a damper. Damper for the control valve. Okay. Okay, now valve is fully open. Okay, valve fully open now. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Okay.